This is a quick overview of the remainder of Chapter 1 for AP Chemistry 1. On the 21st, all students should do the Chapter 1 Video 7 and take notes. Click on this link to access the YouTube channel, and you can see the videos are numbered on the left-hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one right here you'll watch on Monday. This one is on Tuesday. All students will work on the dimensional analysis worksheet and submit a photo of the completed worksheet via Schoology assignment. On Tuesday, all students will finish the last video of Chapter 1, Video 8, and then distant and in-class students will be in a WebEx, and during that time we will work on these practice problems right here from Chapter 1. On Wednesday, everyone's a distant learner and is welcome to join the WebEx. Distant learners must attend the meeting at 1:30 to introduce themselves and then also schedule a time to do a practice metric quiz, just like the A group did right here and B did last week. Start the practice exam that day, and then since all the videos are watched, please take photos of your Chapter 1 video notes with all your problems shown, and then place the photos into a Google document. Share the Google document with anyone can view, and then place the link in this form. If you're not sure how to do that, this is my pretend Google document right here. Go up underneath share right here, and then make sure that you change this so that anyone can view, and then click done right here. Copy that link, go back to share right again, copy the link, and then paste that into the Google form right here. When you open it, it will ask you to put your first, last name and place your link right in here and click submit. That's for Wednesday for this assignment for all photos of your Chapter 1 video notes pasted into a Google document. On Thursday, complete the practice exam Chapter 1, which is due on Monday. Here's an answer key. And then review the elements and metric prefixes because those are part of the test. If you click on this link, it will open the document that you had access to last week that gives you a metric reference chart. It also gives you about 5 or 6 different element quizzes that you can practice on. And whatever elements are on these practice quizzes are fair games for the elements quiz on the test day. It also gives you several metric prefix quizzes, and you need to know those also on test day. Then on Friday, there's a lab, and if you're a distant learner, or if you're an A group, please join us for the WebEx, so then you can participate in the lab from home. And then this is another link to the elements and metric prefixes that you should review. Monday, then, we'll complete the lab, we'll review for the exam, and then once again, a link to the elements and metric prefixes document that you can review and quiz yourself from. So then if you are in A group, you'll test on that Tuesday. B group will test on that Thursday. That's an update that will take us through Chapter 1.